Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Eastvale local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating across the country or just one state over is a big deal. You need long-distance movers capable of handling the job faster and easier. Our team will help you move 100 miles away or even 2,500 miles away without issue. When you hire us, you get professionals to load up, transport, and unload your things properly. We also offer all the following moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Moving locally can be much easier with a California moving company. Our team will ensure you get the most efficient moving day possible. When you want to save time and avoid the heavy lifting, hiring professional movers for a local move makes plenty of sense. With the talented movers at 3 Movers, you will get a streamlined approach to your move. There are many benefits to hiring local movers. With us, you get a faster move and you don't need to risk injury. We will have you moved in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eastvale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.